Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this Tuta Mail guide for 2026, I'll show you how to fix Tuta Mail session expired issues. Whether you're being logged out unexpectedly, repeatedly seeing a session expired message, or having trouble staying signed in to your account, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve the problem. So let's get started. First, understand that a session expired message usually appears when your login session has ended for security reasons. This can happen after a period of inactivity, a network interruption, browser-related issues, or account security updates. The first thing you should do is sign back into your Tuta Mail account using your email address, password, and any required two-factor authentication code. In many cases, this immediately restores access. Next, check your internet connection. An unstable or interrupted connection can prevent your device from maintaining a valid session with Tuta Mail's servers. If you're using Tuta Mail in a web browser, try refreshing the page and clearing your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted browser data can sometimes cause repeated authentication and session problems. You should also make sure your browser is updated to the latest version. Older browsers may experience compatibility issues that affect session management and security features, and that's how to fix Tuta Mail session expired issues. By checking your connection, updating your software, refreshing your login session, and reviewing your account settings, you can resolve most session-related problems and maintain reliable access to your account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.